Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm doing something a little bit different than a typical makeup tutorial. Actually, I'm not doing makeup at all. I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial. I've heard from a few of my friends that they don't know how to curl their hair with their straightener. So that is what I will be showing you guys today, how to curl your hair with a straightener. So, with this video, by no means am I a certified hairstylist or anything like that. I'm just showing you guys tips and tricks that work for me personally and that you guys can maybe do to help you guys out if you're struggling with curling your hair with a straightener. I'm not trying to be the girl who, burns her hair off. You want to do is section off your hair. So you can either use like a little clippy or you can use a hair elastic. I find the hair elastic works better for me. So I take a small piece in the back, just on the base of my neck, and then I tie the rest up. Cute. Okay, so then I start out with a piece about this big. If you want tighter curls, you can do smaller pieces, or if you want looser curls, you can do bigger pieces. So usually about 1 inch wide of a piece of hair. So, and then also my straightener is about, what degrees? It's probably around 345, 350 degrees. That I use. I don't like to go higher than that because, when you start doing that, you can kind of smell your hair burning as you're doing it. Not wanting that. And then too low, it's not hot enough to get the curl that you want. So I'll just show you this first piece and then we can go from there. So for this, and then also I'll show you another trick that I like to do so your hair doesn't all curl together. And then it doesn't look like a giant ringlet on your head. So I'm gonna go here, about here, and I'm gonna curl going back, so away from my face. And then all I do is I turn it once and then just kind of slowly pull it straight out. And that's the curl. Just like that. And then I don't touch it or anything, I kind of just let it cool on its own and then I go on to the next piece. Okay, so then the next piece, so still same width of hair. Now on this one, I'm actually gonna go towards my face and curl it. When you alternate the curls, you get more of a natural curl, and then that's the way that you don't get all your curls to go together and you have like one giant ringlet. So this, I'm gonna go, again, same distance apart and going towards, and only one curl, and then you just pull it. Is this vertical? Am I dumb? What the fuck?
That's vertical.
Oh, wow. And again, you're just leaving the hair as it is and you're not touching it really, you're just kind of letting it cool. And then once we're done, then we go in with our hairspray and we can mess around with it then. Okay, so again, same thing on the other side. And we're curling it away from our head. Or away from our face, sorry. So now we have that little section done. So then what I like to do to keep it away from the rest of the hair that's not curled is then I'll go in with my little clippy and I'll actually clip this little bit of hair back so it stays out of my way. Okay, and now we do our next section. Typically I'll do 3 sections, so I do like a middle, but this one I might do 4 and I might do the top section after, so we'll see how we're feeling. So again, we took our next little section and we're just gonna tie the rest of this up. Okay, so again, we're alternating how we're curling our hair so it doesn't all just go into the same curls. So when you get to the next section, what you wanna now do with this curl is go towards your face, and then you're gonna alternate going around your head that way. Okay, so we're taking our roughly 1 inch piece of hair, and we're now curling towards our face. And again, making sure you're keeping your straightener vertical. Then you just pull it through. And again, don't go too fast because you want it to get the heat on it so it actually gives it that curl. Okay, so this one we are going away from the face. And then if you find a piece that like didn't really do what you wanted, like this one kind of didn't curl very well, there's like a straight piece, you can just take that one again and redo it on its own. There. Okay, and then we're doing the same thing on the other side with alternating, obviously. Just doing it the same as we started on the other side. So this first piece goes towards the face. Okay, and then again, we're sectioning off the pieces that we've now curled again, just to keep them out of our way. All right, so now again, our next section. So for this piece, we are going now back away from our face and not towards. So sometimes you'll find that your hair just bees a little bitch, and I have literally like a flat piece right here, so that's cool. But we'll have to deal with that later. Now we'll do the top piece. Okay, so I know we're at the top of our head, and typically our next step will be going towards our face. You don't want the curls on the top of your head to be going towards your face because they're always gonna be in your eyes and like bothering you. So this first piece closest to your face, you're gonna keep this piece away from your face so it doesn't curl into your face. And then again, we're gonna keep alternating just like before. So now this one's gonna go towards our face. So now that we are done, usually I'll go over and like kind of look and see if there's any pieces that I missed, like even underneath. Oh, this one could use, oh no, that one's fine. Anything else needs it? Okay, here's one that's like completely straight. Right, there we go. All right, so then what I'll do is I'll kind of just like go through it with my fingers and kind of just loosen up, ow, the curls and get a knot out of my head. So this is what it looks like. So again, as of right now, I have not put in any hairspray or anything. So again, I just kind of like soften up some of these like really tight curls because I want it a bit more soft. And you kind of just like move them around and put them where you want them. And then the hairspray I use is this. It's from R&Co. And this actually has like a memory technology in it. So once you spray it in your hair is going to stay as it looks right now, the curl and everything. I've actually tried to straighten my hair after I put the hairspray in, and it does not do anything. It just stays as it is, which is crazy because usually you'd be able to go in and straighten pieces if you want them straightened. But yeah, it's pretty crazy. It has a nice hold to it. It's not too much where like it looks like you have hairspray in and like your hair's like crunchy and gross. It's just kind of like, what? It's true.
Like my hair.
Like Sam's hair. It's a nice hold to it. So we'll just go ahead and spray that. And what I'll do is I'll lift my hair and spray. And that way it gives it a bit more, it gives it more volume. Alright, so that is it for this week's video. I know it was pretty different than what I normally do, but I thought I'd maybe help some people out with my little tips and tricks that I like to do with curling hair, and especially with a straightener. I know some people struggle. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, so please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and if you guys have any questions about what I did with my hair, or if you just have any curling questions in general, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to turn on the little bell notification so you guys are notified every time I upload a new video. So until next time, always remember to be yourself. Bye guys! Went to Mexico in November and it was like the funnest thing. My mom and Sam have never been, and so like they had like the time of their lives. And I thought it was the cutest thing, and like I'm obsessed with like Day of the Dead. So I got this little cup. It's so cute. Look at that. I love her. Okay, that's all. Bye. And recording. Okay, wow, what am I trying to say here? Yes, bitch! Oh.